Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the fuel filter on Mitsubishi Outlander 2.2 DID. The fuel filter on this car is located on the rear of the engine. It's located right there. In order to get access to the fuel filter, first we need to remove this air intake pipe, which is held by two metal clamps. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that the air intake pipe is removed, we have access to the fuel filter. First we're going to remove the fuel lines. To remove 3 of the fuel lines, I'm going to use these special pliers where we're going to press the 2 taps on the 2 sides of the connector of the fuel line, and then we're going to pull out the fuel line. Here you can see how I'm pushing the 2 taps on the fuel line and then I'm pulling out the fuel line. I do the same thing on the other 2 fuel lines. That's the 3 fuel lines out. Next I'm going to remove the 4th fuel line, which is a bit different connector. On that fuel line I need to push the white tab, and then pull out the fuel line. To push the white tab I'm going to be using a screwdriver. Just push it in and then pull out the fuel line. Next I'm going to remove the bolts holding the fuel filter housing. Now that all the bolts are removed, I can take out the fuel filter and replace it with a new one. That's the fuel filter out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. This is the new fuel filter and this is the part number for it. Now I'm going to put the new fuel filter in its place and I'm going to put the fuel lines. I'm going to put 3 of the fuel lines. The 4th one I will put right after I bleed the fuel system. This car doesn't have electric fuel pump in the tank, so I need to prime the fuel system manually. First I'm going to put on the bolts holding the fuel filter and tighten them, and then I'm going to put in the fuel lines. To put in the fuel lines you just need to push them in all the way. So now I'm going to put in the 3 fuel lines. This is the first one that I'm going to put in, and the one next to it I'm going to put in as well. And the one on the other side that's nearest to the camera is the one that I'm going to prime the fuel system from. On this side I'm only going to connect one of the fuel lines, the other one I'm not going to connect it yet because I'm going to prime the fuel system from there. This is my hand pump that I'm going to prime the system with. Look at the direction of the pump, how it's going. I'm going to put the left hose into the fuel filter on the where we didn't connect the hose yet. And now I'm going to start pumping until fuel starts to come out and there's no air bubbles. You should get a bottle to catch the diesel that is going to come out. First there is only going to be air coming out, and then there is going to be starting to come out diesel, and diesel with air bubbles, and then only diesel. You should continue to pump until there is only diesel coming out. Here you can see the diesel started to come out. Now I'm going to pump it a little bit more. You can see I'm catching all the diesel into that bottle. Now I'm going to put the other side of the hose into the fuel line that's going to the high pressure fuel pump. I'm going to pump it a little bit more so that I can get some diesel to go towards the high pressure fuel pump, and then I'm going to remove my pump and connect the fuel line. I think that's enough diesel that went into that fuel line. Now I'm going to remove my pump and connect the fuel line, and that's the fuel system primed. Now I'm gonna go inside the car and start the car. So now I'm going to turn the ignition on and start the car, and when I start the car, make sure you press the accelerator pedal, hold it for around 2,500 RPM for about probably 10-15 seconds, and then you can let go of it. After you let go of the accelerator pedal, you should let the car run for a couple of minutes so that the fuel system is primed completely. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.